So I'm Benedicta, and I was part of the mentoring training Elaine led. It was very, very, very good. I like the part that she allowed the people who were involved to bring their own perspective to what she was teaching them. And also the delivery was good. It was very practical, that people had full initiative in the mentoring program. At normal circumstance, when people are being held for meetings or lectures or programs like this, it's hard to keep them very focused for a very long time, like from 9 a.m. till 5. And they were very focused and very initiated in it, all because of how she arranged the process of the training. And then that's a very, very, very good quality that I learned in this particular training. Thank you, Elaine. Thank you, Mentoring Lab, for bringing this to Ghana.